Howdy guys, so today I'm going to show you how to make a tail for a fursuit or a Nico cosplay or anything else you would need a tail for. First thing you want to do is make a stencil for you to trace out onto your fake fur. This stencil should be cut as evenly as possible to match your tail. Trace both sides of the stencil onto your fabric, making sure it is cut evenly, the same size on both pieces. After cutting your fabric, you're going to take your fabric to the sewing machine and start sewing, leaving a hole at the end of the tail for you to stuff. Sewing can be done by hand or with a machine. Either way, take your time and make sure you follow the edges. Turn your fur inside out so that you can stuff the stuffing inside. Now you're done sewing and you have to get to stuffing. Here is my tail after turning it inside out. The stuffing I'm using is green. I'm not sure why. After stuffing, you must sew the hole closed. I don't know why I didn't get the stuffing on video. I guess I forgot to hit record. Here's the final product, and enjoy your new tail. I hope this tutorial helped a lot. Enjoy.